How to fix Deep Rock Galactic Survivor crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files button. Wait for this process to finish checking. Once this is done, you want to go to the general tab, and under launch options you want to type -DX11, or you can try -D3D11 if the first one does not work for you. Then you can close out of this window and close Steam. Next, you will need to open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to the drivers section and then make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. You can also try reinstalling it if you have the latest version already. Next, you will need to download and install the redistributables. So you want to search in your browser redist, and then click on the first link. Scroll down to this table and make sure to download and install both of these, the 86 and the 64 version. Now, once you finish installing them, you will need to restart your computer. And after restarting your computer, you should open up Steam again as admin. And then you can simply launch the game again, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.